Hello everyone and welcome back. Day 15. Now the announcement came up yesterday, you guys know it. There's been an extension to the lockdown. It's a tough one. I'll have to admit it's a tough one, but hang in there, keep yourself busy, stay productive. I mean, we're learning to build an app here, right? And take pleasure and joy in what you are doing, in the coding that you are doing, in the new skills that you are learning. And if you like my videos, don't forget to share it. Please share it with others. Now there's an oops, I just want to off Siri there on my computer. There's a lighter side to this whole lockdown extension, and that is that we can do a lot more coding together. We can either take this exact same app and build it even further, or we can start again building something completely different. Now I've got ideas on both sides, but I want to hear what you have to say about it. Do you want to further develop this app, or do you want to start something different, like maybe an e-commerce website? I think an e-commerce website appeals to me because, at times like this, I would like to see more people starting their own businesses and more online businesses and that, because there's so much of potential for that. So put it in the comments. Let me hear what you have to say. And also just a reminder, if you have any questions at all, please head off to our forums on our website, www.itvarsity.org, and ask your questions over there. I mean, people were asking questions all over the place, but we've got this one unified place to ask questions where I will be answering all of your questions. It just makes it easier for everyone, both for us to answer and for those that have the same questions subsequent to you. They can always go there and find those answers. Now today we are going to add the banner image to our web page, and we'll leave it at that. Things are getting exciting. You can see the app is taking shape beautifully now, and we are, I think within a week, we're going to complete this app. Awesome stuff. Let's get down to it. Okay, so to begin with, back in our index.html, we'll add a new div. Div class is equal to banner. And inside there we'll put an image, img src. Please check your spelling. If brackets doesn't show it up down there, then there's something wrong with your spelling. Now let me show you what that means. If I type something like scr, can you see there's no pop-up box showing you a suggestion there? It means that brackets doesn't recognize this word. And I've been asked questions about why people's images were not displaying and they had this spelled incorrectly. So it's src, as in short for source. Let me try that again. src is equal, well, my pop-up is not showing up again. I don't know why. I think brackets is upset at me. Okay, we go to images and clouds, and then you close the tab. All right, save this and head off. Nope, that's not our app yet. That's the finished version. Let's go to our app, refresh, and there we have it. All right, so the image is there, but clearly there's a problem on the right side here, but that's not an issue. We'll fix that up shortly. And to do that, we go to our style sheet. Before I go there, let's just remove these other images for the time being. It's just taking up space. I want to see the whole page. Save this and refresh. And there, see, now there's not too much scrolling. I've removed those other images, and you can quickly see the header and footer. Okay, let's go back to the style sheet. Now in the style sheet, we've got this comment for the header. Let's make another comment for the footer. So let's copy this line, select it and copy it, and paste it there. And then we'll change this text to footer. So this basically tells us that all the styling relating to the footer goes inside here. So when you come back after a few weeks and you look for the styling for footer, you know exactly where it is. Let's put it in the bottom section as well. There we go. All right, see how nice this looks. So you've got body, header, footer. Now we're going to put a new selector for, you guessed it, for the banner. Dot banner, open and close curlies. We give it a height of 340 pixels and a width of 100%. Now what does this mean? The height is simple, 340 pixels. That means from top to bottom it will be 340 pixels high. And the width 100% means whatever the screen size, whether it's a big screen or a small mobile screen, that banner must always take up 100% of the width of that screen. So let's save this and see if there's any changes. Refresh. Now you can see that some of this text moved down a bit, but this image hasn't filled in the gap. Now let me tell you what's going on here. What's going on is that although the banner box is now occupying the full width of the screen, the image itself is not occupying the full width of the banner box. So you can think of the banner box as a container that is only partially filled by this image. Now we need to drag this image, or we need to stretch it so that it fits comfortably into its box. Now to do that, we need to put in a style for dot banner img, curly braces. And what do you think we're going to do here? We need to give it a width. What is the width going to be? You guessed it, 100%. 100% the width of banner. Now see how this works. It's almost hierarchical, right? The banner is going to be 100% of the width of the screen, because the parent of banner is the screen. But the parent of the image, the banner image, is the banner. So, whereas the banner is going to take up 100% of the screen, the image is going to take up 100% of the banner. Alright, let's save that. Go and refresh. Why is that not working? That's not working because there's a bug in my code. There we go. See that? Bug. Alright, let's go and refresh. And there we go. Banner is now in place. The next thing we're going to do is to work on this middle section. We'll do that starting tomorrow.